Mabuhay Kamusika, welcome. How are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Aiza's here. She's going to, excuse me, demonstrate her new invention here, or at least her new toy for my mother. And that's this disc down here. Excuse me. Okay. This right down here, Aiza has working on this here. It looks like a scale, but it's actually a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, I could.
I won't step on it in case it is a scale.
It's called iRobot Roomba. Roomba.
Roomba?
Yeah. So I could.
Look what she can do on a phone here.
See, I can.
She is programming it.
Can operate it using my phone. Could turn it on. Okay, all you have to do is just download the app.
Download the app.
Yep. And hit push screen.
Uh-oh. I saw it come to life.
Resume.
I think my mom got this from QVS.
QVC.
QVC, I'm sorry.
Then she will came by itself.
I guess that shows how little I use the service.
And then I can do things with my own while vacuum is running.
So Aiza can work on some other things. What do you call this? Roomba?
Roomba.
Well, Roomba cleans in front of the television stand. Now that black thing right on the wall there, that's a charging unit. Now, don't know why Roomba goes where she goes. She doesn't move that fast. She's not made of really hard material, so she's going to bang into things and then move around. And you can tell where she's been if the carpet hasn't been cleaned in a while. So you could probably just leave her alone for half an hour and she'll find her way around. We just started using her to clean up here, or vacuum I should say. Aiza brought the unit downstairs where I think there's maybe a little bit easier for her to get around. But I don't know how it works. But I mean, at some point you got to empty out the whatever it's getting. Now we're moving into the bedroom here. My mother's bedroom. Anyway, we're going to leave Zumba alone. She's going to just go around, do her thing. Watch out. So now what we have to do is figure out a way to use this technology for cutting the grass. And then I won't have to do any lawn mowing this year. And then figure out how to do it for shoveling snow. Here we are about a week away from 70-degree weather, and now it's we had snow on the ground quite a bit. I swept off the car. Here comes Roomba again, hopefully not after me. So she does clean. Don't know if we have to work out any bugs, but this is something we just purchased. Well, my mother purchased actually. And I think she's going to stay within the carpet here. So she has some artificial intelligence. So anyway, that's just our latest toy here for Aiza to help us with on Love Beyond the Sea.